Everyone has a story in life. Don't judge them just by seeing for few minutes or seconds. A old boy seeking out from the train's window shouted, "Dad and Mom, look, the trees are going behind." Dad smiled, and the young couple sitting nearby looked at the old boy's childish behavior with pity. Suddenly, he again excitingly shouted out loud, "Dad, see, the clouds are moving with us." The couple couldn't resist and said to the old man, "Why don't you take your son to a good doctor?" The old man smiled and said, "I did, and we are just coming from the hospital. My son was blind from birth. He just got his eyes back today." The young couple sitting nearby was shocked and couldn't had a response to the answer given by the dad. So, every single person on the planet has their own story. Don't judge people before you truly know them. The truth might surprise you because every book car has its own story. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe.